Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. Well, my favorite trading patterns are reversals and what we call the volatility squeeze. So here's a volatility squeeze pattern, and what we've done is we've programmed into the trading indicators that we use at PowerCycle Trading what we call a volatility squeeze, kind of some rules that define a squeeze. So when you see these dots pop up, that's in a squeeze, and it's a period of tight consolidation. So you can see here, this was Coca Cola, had been a volatility squeeze. See how tight the price action was, and then it finally broke to the upside. Okay, so we had a break of key moving averages and the triggered up. Now what we like to do is you look for the direction based on momentum. So momentum down here, you can see this is cycle 1 where I'm putting my pointer on cycle 1 and cycle 2 below. These are momentum indicators, and we have positive momentum, so the probability is that the direction would be up. So that's a look at what kind of a volatility squeeze looks like on the daily. Now the next question is, well, how do you find these types of squeeze ahead of time? So use a scanner. So let me show you how we've set up and we've established and programmed these rules into a scanner that just scans across hundreds and hundreds of stocks looking for this particular pattern. So here's the scanner, what it looks like, and it's a matrix, and so we can scan from basically 1 minute all the way up to a month. So here's everything in a squeeze on a monthly time frame right here. Here's everything that triggered out of a monthly, which when I say triggered, that means that it exploded, had a big move up or down. Here's everything in a weekly squeeze, things that have already triggered out of a weekly squeeze, everything in a daily squeeze. So this is all based on the S&P 100. So I can go into, this Thinkorswim, I can go into their public data list here, and I can scan for anything that they have. So, I like to look at S&P 100 stocks. I like to look at the also I really like the NASDAQ 100 stocks. These are great for potential major breakouts. So I can load up all those, and then I can go through and scan. Just click on daily, and it'll pop up everything that's in a daily squeeze. All right. So and then I can do that on my own personal private list that I like to use as well. So let's take a look at a few here for the S&P 100. So I'm going to click this, link it to my charts, and I'll show you what we're looking for. Okay, so I've got my charts linked to the scanner. This is a daily chart right here. You can see where my arrow is. And so I'm just going to go through here and go down through a few and show you what's in a squeeze. So here's CMCSA. So you can see it's showing 8, so the number 8. So that means it's been in a squeeze for 8 bars, in this situation 8 days. And the color code on the dots tells you which way the momentum is. So if it's green, it means it's positive. If it's magenta, it means it's negative. So you can see down below here, positive momentum. So this looks real good. This is Comcast. This looks like it's ready to take a breakout to the upside. So that's one you might want to take a look at. Here's Gilead, G-I-L-D. It's in a daily squeeze here, so it's potentially going to break out. Here's another one. This is Celgene. It's also in a really tight, you can see here, daily squeeze here, so potential for a break. Now the momentum's neutral, but it's still in a very, very tight squeeze. Here's Walgreens, very, very nice tight squeeze here, you can see. So those are a few. Here's Costco, and Costco's in a very nice daily squeeze as well as a 4-hour squeeze. So those are just a few. Here's another one that looks pretty decent. Here's BIIB. This looks poised for a big break, either up or down. Right now, momentum's kind of neutral, but this is how you can spot these particular stocks or securities that might be headed for a big breakout. And here's Amazon. All right, so I hope this helps. Now I'll be doing a course on scanning for breakouts and trading breakouts using options. So if you'd like to join us for the course, use the link provided on this email, and look forward to seeing you this Saturday, February the 9th, for that course.